Welcome back. Today, we're talking about limit orders. First up, limit buy. Paste a token's contract address or send in a link. On the buy monitor's third line, choose limit. Don't see it? Switch to advanced mode. Select your active wallet, a pre-configured bundle, or tap the gear icon to set up a new one. Then set your SOL amount, adjust slippage if needed, and choose your trigger. Price, schedule, or event. Let's start with price. You can set a percentage change, a specific price, or a market cap target. Enter a market cap and the bot will translate it into a price point. Pay attention to formatting. You might wonder, why buy higher than now? Some traders lean on technical analysis, waiting for a validation point, but odds are you're waiting for a dip. Plan accordingly. On to schedule. Seconds, minutes, hours, or days. Formatted properly, the bot gives examples. Event? That's triggered on a migration or when a dev sells some of their bag. Expiration defaults to 1 day, adjust if needed. Double check your settings, then hit create order. Look for the confirmation, it means your order's live. You can view or close orders anytime by going from the main menu and clicking limit orders. Now, limit sell. But before we dive in, let me plant a seed. There's auto sell. It creates limit orders automatically right when you buy. That's another story, another video. Manual limit sell starts with positions or by hitting sell from the menu. Pick your token. On the sell monitor's second line, select limit. Don't see it? Switch to advanced mode. Choose what percentage of holdings you want to sell. Adjust slippage. Triggers, same as buy. Price, schedule, event. If you're using price, set a specific number, a market cap, or a percentage change. Negative means stop loss. Positive means take profit. Place multiple orders, but don't cross 100% of your tokens. For stop loss, you can enable trailing. That way, as price climbs, your safety net climbs with it. Last step, set expiration, verify your settings, and hit create order. As always, check, edit, or cancel from the limit orders menu. Simple, steady, effective. That's how you guide your trades with limit orders.